Let me remind you, the glorious Quran is not a book of science, S-C-I-E-N-C-E, but it's a book of signs, S-I-G-N-S. It's a book of ayats. And in the glorious Quran, there are more than 6,000 signs, more than 6,000 ayats, out of which more than 1,000 speak about science. I'm not trying to take the help of science to prove the authenticity of the Quran. For us Muslims, the Quran is a yardstick. But for the non-Muslims, for the atheist, for him, science is the yardstick. So I'm taking his yardstick and comparing with our yardstick and trying to prove that what your yardstick has mentioned yesterday, 50 years back, 100 years back, 200 years back, our yardstick, the glorious Quran, has already mentioned 14 years ago. That's the reason today science is not eliminating God, but it is eliminating models of God. La ilaha illallah.